Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley Hot Wheels 2021 US L case unboxing. I know that the L case has been, at least in the unboxing world, out for a little bit, but yours truly had a little bit of vacation. And if you lived in, let's see, Reno, Tahoe, San Francisco, Monterey, Big Sur, San Luis Obispo, Carmel, Rancho Cucamonga, Pasadena, Upland, Phoenix, Tucson, Flagstaff, any of these towns, I passed by you. And just know that I meant to say hi. And one of these days I'll see all of you guys. But let's get to the unboxing. It is the L case. It was sent here by our friends at Mattel. They send me the US case. I think probably pretty soon we'll get the international case from A&J Toys. That's when I like to do the highlight videos, but we'll pick out what cars we want to put in the highlight video as we open this case up. I'm assuming since the previous case, what was it, K case, is already being seen in stores, we'll be seeing this one in stores very, very soon. The cool thing about being completely out of the loop for the last week and a half to 2 weeks is that I've totally forgotten what's in this case. I know I've seen some unboxings, I kind of have an idea, but I can't totally remember, and so we're just going to go and you'll see me react and we'll go from there. I'll probably forget what's from the last case anyway, and we start with the Indy 500 Oval. By the way, it might be raining, so we're going to see how long we can go. I like when I do these outdoor unboxings, I'm always taking a chance, and considering it's been so hot in the West lately, we'll take this 65 degrees and rainy. All right. Indy 500 Oval in the Hot Wheels racing livery. That looks kind of cool, the race team. That 2019 Kia Stinger GT continues its just super strong run of cool versions. Maybe when I do the highlight video, I don't know, I don't have the comparisons, but we'll have to bring out all of these Kia Stingers. I'm so digging all the versions of that casting. And then the Geo Terra, I actually like the deco on that one. It's from the Exotics line, which is kind of funny. All right. Moving on, I think we have seen all of these. The 2020 Ram we have seen. I think we've all seen the Locomotor. No, we haven't seen this. The Water Bomber, new casting. Maybe we'll put that in the highlights. Cute little plane, right? Because that's all you can say. Scale will go way off, right, when it comes to the airplanes in the Hot Wheels world. All right, Geoterra again. We've seen that Camaro, and I think we've seen this Ford GT40, the Gumball 3000, then and now, doing that kind of homage to some of the classic GT40s with the gold rims and the black body. But I do think we've seen that one before. Chevy Silverado we have seen. We have seen this Nissan GTR. Love the gray color with the black 10 spokes on that one. And then we've also seen the Muscle and Balone. Ooh, these are interesting. Chevy Chevelle, we've seen that one. Should go a little bit closer so you can see it. Check this thing out. The Impavado 1. It's been a long time since we've seen that one. It's also in the Exotics. And I kind of dig the wheels and the color on that one. I might, just for the heck of it, put that in the highlights because it's kind of cool. Look at the... Well, maybe when was this casting made? Can't totally tell. 2015. And then there is the fantastic McLaren Speedtail, the recolor that I think we saw in the last one. All right, here we go. Here's a recolor. Raging Express, looking fantastic. It is the Decotora, Rio Asada's design. Here's the second version of it. I do like this color and the artwork on it with the cherry blossoms. They're sandwiched in between the two of them. That's a highlight for sure. And sandwiched in between them is the recolor of the Subaru WRX STI. How was that for... Oh, okay. Okay. See? You forget, and you see things that are truly super cool. Let's look at the middle here. Diecast. What does that say? Diecast. Belt cast is the Jeep Gladiator. Kind of looking cool in green. And then we have the GTR, but let's just put these two GTRs together. Maybe when we do the highlight video, we'll open these up just to see them together, because there's the 2017 GTR on the bottom, but it's this LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GTRR version 2. It is the Liberty Walk right there. Nissan GTR, and look, they have gone all out. Casting obviously new. We've seen Liberty Walk represented in other in other brands, Mini GT being one of them, but obviously they got the Hot Wheels gig. And look at that, front grille detailed, side obviously, and the rear. So this one gets the full works. You can freeze that if you want so you can read about it. That is a cool casting, highlight for sure. In fact, I'll put that one off to the side. Volkswagen Beetle looking good. Corvette C8R, we saw that one from the last one. And how about this? Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This is not a new casting, but it is the first time in the basic range. So this one is based on the one we've seen in same casting that we've seen in that was in the Team Transport, right? And now we see it as a basic, and it has that IWC, the Swiss watchmaker of CEO Chris Granger is also a avid Hot Wheels collector, so I know he's very excited to see those. That is a highlight for sure. We'll put him there. Maybe I'll do a picture comparing the two of them. All right, 2 Jet Z recolor in red, Mercury Cougar. Now this is the this would be the Super, right? If I found it with real riders on it, but it is not. I'm fine with that. I'll get this. We'll find a way to get this Super later. And considering I got that Honda Civic Super in the last case, remember that? I can accept this one, not being the Super, because I'm not too keen on the design, although I love the casting, kind of an updated version of the Cougar, but we'll put that in the highlight pile. And then there's another McLaren Speed Tail. Oh, Aeropod and the Loopster there and there, but look at this, the Disney Steamboat. Oh, the Disney fanatics are going to go crazy for this. I am not a Disney fanatic, but all of us know them. I will not make a comment because Disney fanatics are fanatics, but that is very, very cool. The fact that it's done in black and white, and that's how you think of that particular Steamboat, right? From whatever you Disney folks will be like, yeah, it's from such and such cartoon. And I believe you, I just don't remember. It's like when the Fast and Furious guys get after me because I get it wrong. All right. 85 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z. This one's pretty obvious that it is the regular treasure hunt because that symbol shows up. This is the Ollie Rocket. White rims. Kind of a cool casting when it comes to the originals. There's the artwork, and you can see the symbol in the back and then the symbol on the front. So that is the regular treasure hunt, and then the Civic Type R. Fantastic HKS livery, and was a Super last one. Oh! Cool. More cool castings. LB Silhouette Works GT Knees, and we got that again, a second version of the Liberty Walk. We'll get to the Porsche here, and there's the HW450F, right? So chases galore, right? We have the regular treasure hunt, the Mercury Cougar, and if you get this one with the ID card on it, this is the first new casting to debut as a Hot Wheels ID. But obviously this one is not, but this one has a little bit of the chrome missing right on the wheel. Hopefully we'll get another one so we can at least look at it. You can see it's kind of flat there, maybe because it goes ID. I'm looking at the casting. I love the silhouette. I'm a real big fan of this car. I just, not digging the wheels, but I guess they make sense for this casting. I'm hoping to see one with like either PR5s or 10 spokes on it. That looks awesome. Great casting. Highlight for sure. Some good highlights in this one. All right, Liberty Walk, we'll put you right here. Let's hope we find another one so we get the complete wheel. If not, we'll just wait for the international case when we do the highlights anyway. All right. Batmobile, we've seen that before. We've also seen the Car Asada. We've also seen the Locomotorin. Oh, look at that. 67 Chevy C10. This is the first casting Rio, at least released casting Rio Asada did for Hot Wheels. I know the Honda S2000 was his first, but this is when he actually moved over to the Hot Wheels team. He did the S2000 when he was still working for Matchbox. So that's a significant casting. That one looks pretty good. Mod Rod and the Twinnin' and Winnin'. There's another one of those Improvados. Improvito. I've got to get that right. Batmobile and the Subaru WRX. Dodge Charger Drift, looking kind of cool as a fire department car. There's another Chevy and the Rapid Responder. Car Asada again, Speed Driver. Oh, another interesting one. Standard Kart from Mario Kart. Going from the special editions, right, that you see the on the pegs, those more premium kind, to a basic model. This one is a new casting, new for 21, and new wheels on it too, right? I doubt we'll see those elsewhere, but they did put those on for a basic. Wow, we've got a little cartoon stuff going there, right? And then there's the Formula E Gen 2 car and the Dodge Charger stock car. That looks pretty good with the Steelies on it. I think that's an older casting. Yeah, 2012. Fun to discover. All right, we've seen all three of these. The Bentley Continental GT3. We've seen that awesome Honda N600, and then the Koenigsegg Jesko in white. Oh, Camaro we've seen, and the GT40 we've seen. This one we have in the Toyota Land Cruiser. I'm going to have to pull this one out. Oh, look at the back of that. And team it up with the Matchbox in that same blue. Oh, that looks good. Looks like it has a little bit of a rake too, right? Am I seeing that right? Like the profile sits a little lower in the front. Oh, that is awesome. Highlight pile, you go. Seen all three of these. Oh, there's that plane again. The water bomber. Look at that recolor of the GT40 Mark IV in yellow now instead of red. Dang, that looks good. Really dig that casting. And then we have the Volkswagen Beetle. They really are finishing strong with these cases, aren't they? All right, Honda CRX, Plymouth Roadrunner. Was that in the last case? I think it was. It looks awesome. And the Chevelle SS396. And then finishing off with the Koenigsegg Jesko, the Batmobile, and the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. Only one take-on, but we're only going to do the highlights once we get the L case. We'll do those highlights once we get the international case from A&J Toys. But here are the major highlights in my view. Let's move this down just a tad. Got the GT40 Mark IV, the Toyota Land Cruiser for sure. We got the two cartoon cars, the Mario Kart from the video game, and then the Disney Steamboat. And then how about these? While this is not officially a new model, the Mercedes, that one looks cool. And these two, the Liberty Walk GTR and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Fantastic as well. You guys tell me what you think. What are your highlights? Tell me what you think of this case. It's got to be hitting soon, especially because I said that Mattel's also send stuff from their distribution center, so it means they've got them. It means they'll be hitting stores very, very soon. Thanks, everybody. More to come. Happy to be back. Bye.